Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out Temu earnings to PayPal. So first you need to open your Temu app and you need to log in your account. Then tap this U at the bottom and then you'll find here your login account. Now to cash out your account, you need to tap this earn credits and free gifts. So just tap this one and then you'll go right here where you can earn your money in a different way. Now to redeem your cash to PayPal, all you need to do is tap this get now on the second one. And then you'll find this message right here. As you can see, click and start to get your cash via PayPal. Then all you need to do is just tap this start button right here, the yellow button. And then you will go right here in this page where you can redeem your coins, you can spin the wheel, you can refer your friends to earn your cash. Then once you earn your cash, you can actually redeem it by cash out to PayPal. And as you can see here, if we scroll down, you will find some instructions. So when you complete all the tasks right here, you can redeem your cash or coins. Now you can see the three ways right here to earn your money. So first, refer friends with your link, and then you can spin the wheel to earn coins and then redeem your star coins for cash via PayPal. So that's how you basically cash out your earnings on PayPal. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.